right, boys and girls, now we're going to practice our doubles facts. So you can do this just with your memory. I'll do the first few with you, and then I want you to try the rest on your own. And if you get stuck, just remember, sing the song or use your number line or ask a neighbor next to you. There's lots of things that you can do. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Good. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we have 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. I feel like most of these are pretty easy. The only one that kids really get stuck on is 8 plus 8. Do you know what 8 plus 8 is? Yeah, it's 16. What about this one right here? 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, I want you to try both columns of math facts. So push pause, and when you're done, push play for the back side. All right, boys and girls, good work. Now we're going to do plus 3. We've been practicing plus 2 all week, and now we're going to practice plus 3. So the only difference is instead of doing 2 dots, you do 3. Or on your number line, instead of doing 2 jumps, you're going to do 3 jumps. So we say the bigger number, and then we keep counting. 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. On the next one, we know this is a plus 1, so I just go to the next number on the number line, which is 4. And 7 plus 3, we've talked a lot about 10 friends, so hopefully we recognize that that's a 10 friend. So the next one, 4 plus 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. And 3 plus 3 is doubles, that's 6. I'll do one more row. 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 plus 3, that's easy, that's 5. Oh, another doubles, or another 10 friend, and another doubles. Okay, now go ahead and stop the video and do the rest on your own. Good job, boys and girls.